Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ventura County in southwestern California, northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California, until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a convective line of storms extended from near Moore Park to near Point Mugu, moving east at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Simi Valley, Van Nuys, Woodland Hills, Malibu, Santa Monica, Calabasas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.